Hey everyone. The book that I've chosen today for uh, informational nonfiction is called The Mysteries of the Universe, and it is by DK Books. If you like nonfiction informational text, you've probably heard of them. I really like them. Um, but yeah, anyways, this one's Mysteries of the Universe. Um, and it is written by Will Gator. And it says his credentials in the back of the book. Um, Will Gator is an astronomer, journalist, and science presenter. He has written several popular astronomy books and is an experienced observational astronomer and astrophotographer. So that just tells me that so he has written this book and he has a lot of experience under his belt. So I feel like it's a pretty good factual book, and I can probably trust pretty well what he is saying. At the beginning of the book, he has a little introduction that he has written, and it says, "Are you ready to go on an adventure? As you turn the pages of this book, you'll be following in the footsteps of countless adventurers, scientists and stargazers who have wondered at the great mysteries of the universe. The journey will begin on our home planet Earth, a marvel all in itself, and continue farther and farther into space, to the planets of our solar system and out to the stars and galaxies beyond. As you meet some of the most extraordinary objects in the cosmos, you'll learn all about what they are and how astronomers study them. And you'll also see that there's a lot we still don't understand. Many mysteries are yet to be solved. Now let's get going." So I really like that he included that in here. That there are still many things that we don't understand about the universe. And that they are all mysteries that are yet to be solved. And then you've got your contents here. It has it listed out by topic, and then they could find what they're interested in and go look it up. It's also got it organized back here, and this is probably my favorite way that they have it organized. If I can find it here, I just saw it. And it's a visual guide. Here it is. So they've got a visual guide here, which I really like for my littles, who might be kind of overwhelmed by just looking at an index that just has words. So this one has pictures, so they can go say, "I want to learn about meteors." So they would go find this picture of meteors, and right underneath it, it says Meteors, page 8. So they would flip to page 8, and they could learn about meteors. Where is it? Let's see. Almost there. Meteorites, meteors. And then it kind of has more pictures here to kind of match it. So they flip here, and then, so one other thing that I really like is it's really, really simple. I have a son who, for a long time, that was mostly all he was interested is like informational nonfiction. But the problem is a lot of like the nonfiction books that we've gotten are really, really busy, and it's really hard sometimes to open up one of those books and like know where to focus first, because I feel like it's just like a ton of information, a ton of little like tiny pictures, and it just can be really, really hard to focus and not feel lost. So I really so it has like one picture on each page, and one topic on each page, and then it'll kind of go a little bit more in depth about it in a few paragraphs. So yeah, I really like how that's organized, so much better than a lot of your informational nonfiction books. Because I feel like my kids just enjoy it more, and they get a lot more out of it, and they don't feel so lost when they open it up. So yeah, it's got those things. I showed you guys the visual guide. It's got a glossary of terms. Let me see. It's got like your constellations, like a map of constellations. So that would be really fun to go out with your telescope and go look and see how many you could find. So this page is discovering space. Here on Earth, we have been trying to solve the mysteries of the universe for thousands of years. These are some of our greatest achievements. And then it kind of takes them through a timeline of all the different achievements that we've had in the topic of astronomy. So in the 1840s, Lord Rosse observes galaxies with an enormous telescope in Burr Ireland. Burr, Ireland. So yeah, anyways, so I just really like this book. It's been a really good book in our collection. I really like how it's organized. I feel like the information is factual and accurate. And yeah, anyways, thanks you guys.